Imagine changing your engine oil, and just a few days later it's already dark, dirty, and breaking down faster than it should. Most drivers think black engine oil automatically means something is wrong with their car. But the truth is, in many cases it's caused by a simple bad habit that millions of drivers do every day without realizing it. And if you keep doing this, it can reduce engine life, increase wear, and cost you thousands in repairs. So in this video, we're going to reveal the bad habit that destroys engine oil, why it happens, and how to stop it before it damages your engine. One of the biggest reasons engine oil becomes dirty so quickly is constant short-distance driving. This happens when drivers start their car, drive for just a few minutes, maybe to the grocery store, school, or a nearby shop, and then shut the engine off again. It may seem harmless, but this habit is actually very damaging to your engine oil. Here's why. When your engine starts, fuel and air mix together and ignite inside the cylinders. This combustion process produces heat, carbon, moisture, and small contaminants. Normally, when the engine runs long enough and reaches full operating temperature, the heat burns off moisture and evaporates fuel contamination from the oil. But during short trips, the engine never reaches full temperature. So the moisture and fuel stay trapped inside the oil, slowly contaminating it. Over time, this causes the oil to break down faster, lose lubrication ability, and turn dark much sooner than normal. Other habits that destroy engine oil. Short trips are one of the biggest culprits, but they're not the only problem. Here are several other habits that can cause engine oil to degrade faster. 1. Skipping oil changes. One of the most common mistakes drivers make is waiting too long to change their oil. As oil ages, its additives begin to break down. These additives are responsible for cleaning, protecting, and stabilizing the oil. Once they wear out, the oil loses its ability to fight contamination and heat. That's why regular oil changes are essential for engine health. 2. Using low-quality oil. Not all engine oils are created equal. Cheap or low-quality oils often break down faster under high temperatures. Modern engines run hotter and operate under tighter tolerances, which means they need high-quality synthetic oils that resist heat and oxidation. Using poor-quality oil can lead to faster contamination and reduce protection. 3. Ignoring the oil filter. The oil filter plays a critical role in keeping oil clean. It captures dirt, carbon particles, and microscopic debris that circulate through the engine. If the filter becomes clogged or isn't replaced during an oil change, it can no longer trap contaminants effectively. This allows dirty oil to continue circulating through the engine. 4. Excessive idling. Many drivers leave their cars idling for long periods, especially in traffic or while warming up the engine. While idling may seem harmless, it can actually cause incomplete combustion, which produces more carbon and fuel contamination. This contamination eventually ends up in the oil. 5. Engine problems. Sometimes rapid oil contamination can be caused by mechanical issues such as faulty fuel injectors, worn piston rings, bad sensors, poor combustion. These problems allow excess fuel or combustion gases to enter the oil, causing it to degrade much faster than normal. The truth about black engine oil. So here's the truth many mechanics will tell you. Black engine oil isn't automatically a bad sign. In fact, it often means the oil is successfully cleaning your engine by holding contaminants in suspension. But when oil turns black extremely quickly or becomes thick and sludgy, that's a sign something may be wrong. The key is proper maintenance and good driving habits.